Ghanaian style pancakes, they're a bit of a cross between your American pancake and a French crepe. They're super easy to make, so I'm going to start by making my pancake mix. So in a blender, I add some evaporated milk, a bit of water, some sugar, some nutmeg, vanilla extract, a bit of salt, some butter, and 1 egg. Finally, I add some plain flour and I blend this all together until I get a smooth and fairly watery mix like you see here. So now that you have your pancake batter, it's just time to start cooking it. So all I'm going to do is spread the pancake mix into a pan. I'm going to make sure that it fills the full amount of the pan. So when you're making American style pancakes, you just want a thick pancake mix in the middle of the pan. And once it's cooked on a medium temperature for about 2 to 3 minutes, I flip it to the other side. And again, I cook it on the other side for about 2 to 3 minutes, and I just continue to do this until all of the pancake mix has been used up. So making room for a bit of error and at least one pancake that isn't going to come out quite right. This amount of pancake mix and these amounts of ingredients should get you a good 3 to 4 of these pancakes. Now I just add some powdered sugar on top for taste. And just like that, your pancakes are done. These are super delicious and great to eat for breakfast or if you're just after a sweet treat. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.